When did Kathy Fernandez Rundle wake up and say, I want to run for state attorney?
I don't think I ever had that day. I never even thought of myself as being a prosecutor, but I always knew I wanted to be a lawyer. With my dad, he would take me to the courtroom. He was always exposing me to that kind of stuff. So I ended up going to the University of Cambridge in England, which doesn't make a Cuban father happy. Then I come home during the summer after I graduated, and he said, okay, so what are you going to do? Why don't you go to the prosecutor's office? He says, just go over there, check it out. It's a great place for you to go. So I said, what do they do? I said, I don't want to be in the business of putting people in jail. That is not at all why I went to law school. I'm on my way to The Hague. I want to fight like human rights violations that occur all over the world. And there are many of those kinds of human rights violations. And he said, if that's what you want to do, you go to the state attorney's office. So I went and I fell in love with its mission. And I realized I don't have to travel 5,000 to 8,000 miles to go fight human rights violations when they're happening right here in my own backyard.
There's a lot over here.
So I realized that I could do a lot for my community, and fighting those kinds of cases and being an advocate for those kinds of vulnerable individuals. And so it was just a natural in the end.
A Day in Miami. Watch full episodes on YouTube and subscribe.